Hello friends, today we are going to talk about African bush elephant. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for new videos. Amazing facts about the African bush elephant. African bush elephant is only second to the giraffe in terms of height. Both the African bush elephant and African forest elephant were discovered to be two different subspecies. The bush elephant is larger, a lighter color, and has outward curving tusks, whereas the forest elephant is smaller, very dark, and has downward facing tusks. Where does the African bush elephant live? The African bush elephant's habitat is given away by its name, in the African bush. This includes savanna, grasslands, partial deserts areas, and primary forest within central and southern Africa. These locations are perfect areas for the African bush elephant to find foods. What do African bush elephants eat? An ideal meal for the African bush elephant consists of plenty of grass, fruits, and roots. They spend most of their day eating, as they need to consume a large amount to consume sufficient calories for their large bodies. Leaves and branches are stripped off trees using their powerful trunk, and their tusks can be used for digging and for scraping bark. African bush elephants have flat teeth specially designed to break down and help them digest plant matter. Do African bush elephants have to watch out for predators? Not particularly. Due to their immense size, weight, and social grouping, they are rarely preyed upon. However, young elephants can sometimes be targeted by lions and hyenas if they stray from the group. When surrounded by large females, predators will not take them at the risk. Are African bush elephants social like other elephants? Yes, in fact, all elephants are social and live in similar matriarchal societies. This means that they are led by one older, more experienced female, and females stick together. Pleased males leave the group once sexually mature. As nomadic animals, they are constantly traveling together to search for foods and keep their young safe from predators. Elephants are incredibly intelligent animals, capable of showing emotion and remembering information. How do African bush elephants cope with the heat? By using their trunks. They fill their trunks with water and spray it over their young in the hotter months, and frequently visit watering holes. Muddy spots can also be used for cooling down. African bush elephants that live in the Sahara or Namib deserts are also known as desert elephants, but are otherwise the same as those that live in the grasslands. What threats do African bush elephants face? Although populations levels are recovering, African bush elephants face many threats, including habitat loss and poaching. Similar to other species, loss of land reduces the availability of foods and water, meaning they have to travel further. What's worse, some will not survive the journey if they cross paths with poachers. African bush elephants are not just killed for the illegal ivory trade, but they are often the victims of conflicts with local people too. Hello friends, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. You can see important videos by my channel.